Firstly, that we loosen the screws, and then we tighten them after the installation of e-bike tab. Nextly, we need to mount in the front tire. Also, we need to loosen the screws with the specific tool and take off this screw strip. Take off the screws of the strip, mounting the strip into the tire and retighten screws of both sides. Then we start to mounting the front fender and lap. First, we need to loosen these screws and lock the fender and lap with screws. And last, retighten these screws of both sides. Next step, we are going to mount the display. First, loosen these screws and then lock the display and tap with loosened screws. Next, we mount the basket. Also, we need to loosen the screws and lock the basket with them. The next step is to install the rail seat. It's necessary to pay attention to the direction of assembly. The letters on figures represent the direction. L represents the left side, and R represents the right side. This key could be used to lock or unlock the battery. When the installation is almost done, you could test the speed, brake, display, and light of the bike.